Adam Moss here with another InDesign tip. Have you ever seen those little notes at the bottom of a magazine article that say continued on page 3, or at the top of the next page it says continued from page 2? Well, today I want to show you how InDesign can help you create these little notes and update them automatically. Okay, like I said, InDesign has the capabilities to help us out with these little layout gems, and in classic InDesign fashion, can update them automatically as we move through our layout. Great thing is, it uses a feature that a lot of us use already, markers. Now, we usually use these to put the little page numbers at the bottom of our pages, in our layout, not really realizing that there's other markers that are available. Well, today we're going to try to shed light on at least 2 more of these markers. I guess all we need now is InDesign. Well, lucky for us, this is a video, so it's just this easy. Here we are in InDesign. We're going to go ahead and get started here, and what these are actually called are jump notes. To be able to go, continued on page 5 or continued from page 4. So they're called jump notes. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and create us a text box at the bottom of one of the pages here, and this is where we're going to put our first jump note. So we're just going to say continued on page. Alright, and we're not going to insert a page number, because we want InDesign to go ahead and do this for us. Alright, so come up here, we're going to go to type, insert special character, markers, and usually you do the current page number, right? But this time we're going to do the next page number right there. Okay, so alright, so it inserts a page number for us, but as you can see, it actually puts page 4, but we are actually on page 4. So let's go ahead and zoom in here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, see, so we're on page 4, and it's showing that, we're continuing on page 4. Well, obviously that's not correct. The thing is, these don't actually work the same way as page numbers do. Alright, so they actually have to be touching the story that is going to be linked between the 2 pages. Okay, that's really simple. So all you gotta do is just take the text box and just make sure it's touching the other text box. See how it kind of turns to page 5 there? Let's go to preview mode here. So you can see it's page 5, right? And see if I bring it back down, see it goes back to page 4. See, so as long as it's touching the text box, it'll work for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring that back up. See, page 5. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to copy, paste it. Okay, we're going to bring this up to right here. Now it says continued on page 7, okay, because it still has the different marker on it. Alright, so what we're going to do is say continued, change this to from, delete this marker, go back into type, markers here, and we're going to put in the previous page number. Alright, so there we go, page 4. See, so we're going to continue on page 5. We're going to continue, it's continued from page 4. Okay. Alright, so you might ask yourself, okay, well, why didn't I just, type that manually? Wouldn't that have done the exact same thing? Well, yeah, but in classic InDesign fashion that we were talking about earlier, now it will automatically update for us. So I'm just going to come over here and we're just going to add a new page to our document. Okay, so now we have a new page 4 that's blank. See, but oh, look. See, now this is page 5 and it's updated for us. See, continued on page 6 now. Come down here, it's continued from page 5. Okay, so that's the benefit of doing it with a marker instead of just typing it manually, just like you would the regular page numbers. Okay, so that's how you can do these little jump notes in InDesign and have it automatically update for you when you add pages to your document. Thank you, hope that was helpful. Well, that's it. Please be sure to stay tuned and check out more of our quick tip videos as we get them posted, and check out the available courses that we have at creativeedge.training/courses. Thanks a lot. See you in class.